What is more profound than to experience the scent of the morning flower and to realize that the morning noises are simply just another form of communication? What is the devastation of the sense of feeling of the death of a king when one realizes that that is simply merely an eclipse? And to what extent does one experience the realization that that which must fall will also rise again in a renewed sense of rebirth within its true ownership of itself? To make it simpler, to be understanding, the first part of what I've just said to you is the first essence of the explanation in the meaning of a death of a king. Within the next part, a poem will follow to explain it in a deeper sense of soul realization. Oh, the death of the king, in its realization, he has no more the sense of his own belonging. Leave the followers within the wake of the end of night. And in the third day, as the light becomes bright, so rises the king once more from that which was once a fright. This was the Aeter nature.